What? What? So what if it's symbolized? I still got this thing. Yeah, I'm a monster, I'm a filthy monster with a filthy mouth. I'm the beast, I'm the big bad wolf. I'm a filthy monster, I'm a beast. I don't care what they say. Yeah, I'm a filthy monster, I'm a beast. I'm the big bad wolf. I love those ladies with the natural red hair and no plastic surgery. Pop it right high, shake that ass to the heaven melt. What? What you gonna do with me? Take your clothes off with a stripper, undress it, that's right. Cause I'm a big bad wolf with naughty words, and I love those girls who want to get freaky with me and want to get nasty in the room. You couldn't pay me to do country music. I love rock and roll, heavy metal. Yeah. I can still butt it just like Elvis Presley or Kid Rock. I can still say naughty words just like NWA. F the popo, F the police. Fuck the police for all I care. What, you don't like it too bad. It's the big bad wolf. Undress quitter. Probably like a hot girl. Let me touch you all over and kiss you and shit. That's right, it's the big bad wolf. And let me touch your lemons. Oh, I care, girl. Talk about hot. Yeah, I love those big, real boobs. No plastic surgery, that's right. Ball. Mr. Bath with the heavy metal like what? Mr. Bath with the heavy metal like what? What's my name? Big Bad Wolf, Big Bad Wolf. She wants to get naughty with me. She wants to get naughty with me in the room. Come on, get crazy. I don't have to have the money, or do I have to have the money? It doesn't matter to me. As long as I get in the room for one night stand. That's right. Because of the big bad wolf. I love it the way she undresses and shakes the ass to the heavy metal. Because that's the big bad wolf. 1, 2. No, I don't want no kids, so I'm gonna have to use a condiment. I don't care if it's dirty or nasty. It's the big bad wolf with the naughty words. What you gonna do with me? F those lousy critics. I am what I am. And I love it when the highs let the take the clothes off and shit. Cause my heavy metal beat. And it doesn't matter if you're white or black. Always is incorrect. Cause it's the big bad wolf. Let a hottie and get undressed.